Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations. My name is Tia. Today's Stitch With Me, I'm going to do a little bit of work on my chatelaine, which is Evening in the Park. It looks like that. I'm working around on this blue centre part now. I've done all the middle bit. So I thought I would bring you along. I haven't done any on this for ages. So yeah, let's do some stitching. I'm going to zoom you in so that you can see where I am. Now, how am I? I have to go back out a bit. Oh, I can move this. That's what I'll do. Just take that off there. Loosen that and I'll just scoot you up a little bit. Oop, there we go. That way you can see what I'm doing. Move that out of the way and I can zoom you in a little bit more. So I've not worked on this for quite some time, and I really love stitching on it. It's so pretty, and I wanted to get some more work done on it, so here we are. Today is Thursday. I've not long taken my daughter to work. It's just after 10 o'clock, and I thought I would film this now. So just let me count across. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I hope you've all been well. Things are travelling along nicely here. Nothing exciting to report. I did my floss tube this morning, which you may or may not have already seen. And yeah, took my daughter to work. And now I'm home again. I'm working this afternoon. Then I've got tomorrow off. And back to work Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So my contract hours have been extended too, so I've got some more hours, which is always good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What else? You know what, I haven't really got much to talk about today. Other than that, it is hot, which it always is here. Kids are all well, husband's well, grandchildren are all well. Dog's good. Yeah, you may have seen that I've been posting videos every day for various different things, which are keeping me occupied and out of mischief, which is always good. But what I was thinking of doing, and I've never ever done one before, is a live stream. Just let me mark these off so I know where I'm up to. yeah, so I've never done one, so I don't know how it will go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that could be something. I'm thinking maybe next Tuesday for my 52 tags is do that as a live stream. But always when you try something new, it's a little bit nervy, so we'll see how we go. But that's my idea. I don't know how long it will go for, maybe just the duration of the project, because those tags don't take very long to make. So I thought that would be a good way to dip my toe in the water and see if it's something that I can carry on doing. Right, so 5. This 1 and 4. So I drew the winner this morning for the Lizzie Cake giveaway, so that was on the Flosstube this morning, which will be yesterday mornings when you're watching this. So you'll be watching this on Friday. It's so confusing. But I'm filming it on Thursday morning. So that's exciting. Right, let me mark off again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one and 4. Now I don't want to jump across there because there's going to be a bead. So we're going to come back down here. So I don't think this one will be very long, maybe just the length of my thread. I've still got a few things to do before work. So I'm going to do some planning. I've got a planner for everything. I've got a YouTube planner, a Flosstube planner, a bullet journal, you name it, I plan it. So I've got a bit of that to do after this. My YouTube planner's going really well. I'm enjoying doing that because I can see what I need to do and when I need to do it, which is always helpful. Because I'm doing a lot more now on the channel, I need to be able to see what I'm doing. Plus I like planning and journaling, but yes, if you're interested in the live stream, now that I've put it out there I have to do it. I'm going to have a go at doing that on Tuesday. I don't know what time. Maybe before, I don't know, before it gets too hot I have to take my daughter to work at 10, so I could do it early, before then. I don't know, we'll see. Earlier the better for me. I don't know about different time zones and where you're all watching from. I don't want you to have to crawl out of bed at some ungodly hour if you want to come and join in, but yeah. Okay, let's mark these off. 2, 1, 1. That one goes 3 over 1. 2 and 3. Oop. It's only 1. 2 and 3. This one. Okay, so this one, 1. This one, 1. Sorry, thinking out loud. Yeah, I've got absolutely nothing to talk about. So what I might do is finish this length of thread. I will probably put it to some music, maybe speed it up, we'll see, but it's definitely not a very long one today. But until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day. Happy crafting, and I'll talk to you all again soon. Bye.